welcome back. This is not a quick and fast, but it's a quick and fast. This is a coaster from one of my workshops. She wanted me to unmold it for her, so this is what we're gonna do for the theme of the oh, that's pretty. There's that. Yeah, I'm gonna drop some UV resin in the side there because the middle didn't cure all the way through, but this is how it looks on the back. It's a little raised, but you can still use it. I did test it out, so there's that. Let me just take these out while I'm here because that would be a very short video. It's like 30 something seconds. Ooh, okay. I think I'm gonna have to punch holes in this one because I don't think this looks really good. Yeah. Ooh, I'm definitely gonna have to punch holes in this because these So I have on press-ons. That's why my nails are all different colors. I'm about to bite this motherfucker out. Like, it's staying tight because it's bigger on the bottom. I put them in the wrong way. Okay, that one to come out. Oh, I thought that was a. Let me see. Okay, that's not too bad. Oh, okay. So the layer that's blocking it is super thin. Let me see if you can see. See, if I could just poke like that, it'll come out. So that's, oh, okay. How do I take this out without damaging things? I need something hard. I'm about to break something else because Jesus. See that? All right. See, now I'm just being ridiculous. Either way, y'all get the gist. You get the gist. I'm gonna end up having to drill these out probably because the resin like molded around it. This one not so bad, but it's. See if I can use this to push it down. Doing furliness, because I can see it moving like it wants to. Like, baby, come out. Whatever, I'll deal with that next time. And let's see if this comes out. This one, whew, the first layer is some resin that started curing way too fast, way too early. So I just dropped it in here and I was like, hey, hope for the best, prepare for the worst. And then it kind of looked okay. But then I was like, let me add some gold on top of it. Oh, okay. Oh, it actually looks a lot better than I was anticipating. You can see here where like the resin didn't mix with the color too well. I don't know if you can see it, but listen. The parts that need to be smooth are smooth. Oh, I lied. There's a hole right there. So 2 little holes right here, but I can fix that. Easy fix, nothing crazy. But yeah, the bubbles are because, oh, this has a bubble on the inside. That's actually kind of cool because I thought it was going to be on the outside, but it's on the inside. If you see the way I was manipulating this mold, but yay, all set. So we got this, but did y'all get into all the colors on this? Obsessed. And this, put this down. So I'm gonna go bag this up, do my UV resin real quick, bag this up, and go for my drop off delivery, pick up whatever thing. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.